It's Monday the 14th of November. Watchet, drizzling, cold. At the station, it's got a large crane and the bridge is coming back. I'm surprised how quickly they're doing things here. That's the vertical tower and the two sections of the steps just going into position. Already painted in the correct colour scheme. It's obviously just like a big piece of mechano, all prefabricated. Just a matter of putting in position and bolting in. Hello. I'm surprised how quickly they've got these bits together here. When did you hear about it?
When did I hear about it?
Yeah.
Last week.
Oh yeah. Because there was some sort of question as to whether it was going to be today or not. I don't know if that's all they're going to do today or whether another lorry is going to turn up with the missing bits.
They're down in the car park.
There's another lorry down there, is there?
There's two there.
Oh right, I can't see them from here. I've only just arrived myself. Is the cross part of the bridge there, or the actual bit that spans the tracks?
Yes.
Oh, right. Well, it's an awful lot quicker to put it back together than to remove the old one.
But in theory, it should just bolt together.
Yes. Well, it looks familiar, doesn't it, when you look at it now? It's, you know, it's just like a new version of what we had before. I suppose that's exactly what it is. Down to the very latest dimensions. As my colleague has just pointed out, here's some more coming up on a lorry behind this bus. I expect this takes you back to Willerton when it was in a similar situation.
Yes, but ours came back in I think three parts.
Yes. Well, that's the other vertical tower. Yeah, whether the cross pieces here as well. I mean, they might even get it all up today, I suppose. Well, amazing if they do. It's rather a tight corner for a long lorry, I guess. Meanwhile, things look as if that's now located. Oh, and they're going to open the entrance, yeah, so that's always going to reverse in them, I guess. Here it comes. just putting in place the transom. Looks almost as if someone is walking across. That's remarkable progress in one day. I thought this would take about 3 or 4 days, but at the end of today it's going to look as if it's finished. There's no stairs down on this side, but to get that cross piece across the track in that first day, that's remarkable progress. It's now 7 o'clock the next morning, and I'm here quite early to see what progress has been made on the bridge. And it's quite amazing, the crane is actually gone. It's all been erected in one day. I don't think the bridge is in a usable state yet. I don't know what that black thing up there is on the piece across the track, but there's still barriers against it. Let's have a view from a different angle. I guess those are strengthening bars for the assembly across the tops of the end walls. They'll probably be removed once it's all in position. Once it's all bolted down. If I remember correctly, it took about a week to demolish the original steel structure, and they virtually erected a copy within a day. That's brilliant work. I dare say there'll be a few more days' work in securing things and filling in the gaps on the walkways, but visually from a distance it looks as if the bridge is now fully back. Yeah, we've still got a complete gap there. And of course the base is, interesting that it's not bolted down yet, just resting there. There's just some weight holding it down. That'd be great to see the station looking smart again soon. I think only a month or two ago there were potatoes growing in there. Perhaps there could be a game one day. I think there are some decorative lamps to go on the top, which have been funded. Apart from that, it's looking from a distance as if the bridge is back.